How to fix CapCut network error on PC or laptop. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. So what you could do to fix this is we're going to actually access a free VPN. So first things first, go to your settings over here and just simply navigate to your network and internet over here. Select VPN and you're going to click on add VPN. Now we're going to enter information over here. Where do we get our information? Simply navigate to vpngate.net over here, which will provide us with public VPN relay servers, and locate one of this list over here. As you can see, for example, this one, we're just simply going to copy this, and then we're going to open our settings over here. We're going to give it a name, and you're going to paste your server name or address over here. For our VPN type, ensure that you select secure socket tunneling protocol to ensure that you have a secure VPN connection. Click on save and just simply click on connect over here to enable our VPN over here. So you're simply going to sign in over here, and after that you should then be able to connect to your VPN. Now after you connected to your VPN, try once again to access your different filters or features over here, which will allow you to, of course, now fix the issue with the network connecting error. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.